Once it touches, you can switch people. Drop it and switch. Another person over here. You guys, some of you should be over here. Make them tighter. They run faster when they're tighter. Drop and switch. Take the spots here. Come on. Running in place when you're waiting. Everybody's running, whether it's the man or you yourself. Tighter runs faster. We need someone. We need someone. Need someone. Need someone. Need someone. Get over here and start running in place and make sure everybody does a turn. You don't pass the challenge unless everybody's done it. Who else? Who else needs it?